the third day of outdoor home, and today I just I was searching to on first day I was searching for jobs. Second day, I got a job offer from um, a motorcycle company. They are selling spare parts, motorcycle parts like motorcycle seat covers and other motorcycle parts. So he is a manufacturer. I saw his number is from UAE, United Emirates. So he's like a businessman, and he was doing his job. He was in early. He was doing his job, but now he opened his factory. Like I don't know. He owned the factory or not, but he is manufacturing the products. He's manufacturing the motorcycle bike, spare sorry body parts, etc. So he offered me the job. Today was my interview. I just finished my interview. It was started from 7 a.m. and it's now ended, and it's the time about it's 8:48. It's about 2 hours. Like in this time, I also did the breakfast. Like 5 to 10 minutes, he took my interview. After that, I did breakfast, and then he again called me, and he told me um, um, you have to go through a trial. After that trial, we will select you for our job. And I satisfied him. Because I gave the interview very confidently. I told him I have e-commerce. Like it's all what I told. What was in the CV, all was truly all was true. And I also mentioned everything. I gave him all the proofs that that proves me that I have the skills, like the running truck body parts shop. I did truck parts shop in 2023 to 2025, and I also have the skill of e-commerce. I sold products on Amazon USA in Bloomington, in in Texas. Yeah, in Texas, I also sold products there. So I also did Shopify. I also sold products. Like I did 47,000 PKR sales on Shopify. After that, I was there were some reasons that's why I couldn't continue my journey of Shopify e-commerce, because of many reasons, like low income, low resources, low time, and this and that. That's why. But now, the skills and my expertise, those are paying me off, and now I have it will be a trial, but I'm fully confident in it. Like I will pass the trial, and I will secure this job because I'm fully confident. I fully assured the my employer, and he is happy with me. And when I will work for him, he will see me how I can benefit him. So after that, he will definitely choose me because I have a lot of skills. Because I have bundle of skills. Like I have English, I have 6.5 bands in English, and I'm fully confident. If I give the IELTS again, I will have 7+ bands in English. So, and I also have the e-commerce skill. Amazon, Shopify, and then eBay, etc. I can sell on all of them. I can also run meta ads. I can also run TikTok ads, I can make Shopify store, I can create list products, I can source product from China, I can like, and I managed a shop, a whole wholesale shop entirely by me. Everything, procurement, and customer dealing, suppliers dealing, market research, running products, keeping dead item, removing inventory, display, social media marketing, and keeping a good customer relation and returning customers. I had returning customers when I was in my shop, so now they are paying me off, and I believe this job will be very good for me because I'm exporting it. I'm exporting, and it's kind of a passion. I will do. It's like my hobby. It's like hobby. Doing a work I know I'm exporting. So I hope I will have a good uh, so keep watching my videos, and I will upload many videos, my updates day by day on this channel. Keep subscribe my channel, like my video, share, and support me in any case you can, like just watching my videos, or liking, give a thumb to my video is also supporting me. So it's good, it's like, and I think your support will make me something someday. So your support is valuable for me, and I appreciate it. So see you in the next video.